Okay everyone, today we are doing a revisit of the premier car wash in Uxbridge with the PDQ RiteTouch Tandem. Anyways, here's your wash options: the basic for 7, the premier wash for 9, and the premier plus for 12. Pause if you want to read that, and as always we're going to be getting the premier plus wash. Alrighty, so get this pay station going. Hopefully it goes well. Purchase a wash.
Please select a wash package. Would you like a receipt,
Yes.
cashier, or no? Please proceed into the wash.
Alrighty, here we go. Here's the receipt. There's our opening. And here we go. All good to go. Alrighty. So this is still an older PDQ RiteTouch Tandem with Ryko's Thrust Pro dryers. There we go. Alrighty. Might as well stop here since there's no one behind me. I know I'm blocking the exit, but since there's no one behind me, I will check to see how I ever washed it for a second. Alrighty, so didn't clean off that. The car was extremely dirty before we got in it. The slush pull dryer did well on the sides, you can see, except on the windows. Cleaned the tires, so the tire scrubbers worked well. On the back, dryers did well on the back. They managed to get the back. Didn't get that here. Passenger side, dryers cleaned did well, but it didn't do well on the bottom. Clean the tires. Our car smells really good. I guess from the trifle and stuff like that. And on the hood, it did well surprisingly for slush pros. I'm surprised that the slush pro dryers didn't came down all the way down to the bumper, just like the last wash, like at the Ryko radius at the S/Circle K gas station in Newmarket I filmed last week. The slush pro did the same thing and didn't come down all the way. If that was in my own car, like my smaller one, I don't think it would drive the whole thing all the time. So yeah. And I noticed a bit of a pre-soak too. The pre-soak was extremely weak. It was just water. So rather than the pre-soak is just being weak, the wash did an awesome job. I really love these PDQ Tandem machines. I wish they were more in my area, but this is my only one in my area, so yeah. Anyways, overall, I highly recommend the Premier Car Wash. Anyways, that's the PDQ RiteTouch Tandem with Ryko's slush pull dryers at the Premier Car Wash in Uxbridge. Anyways, that's gonna be it. Maybe I'll go by the window and see it for a quick second. Probably not. Yeah, you can't see it because the window glare. But anyways, that's that. I hope you enjoyed it as always. Not bad for $12. Overall, it's worth it. And oh yeah, and then clean that off the car at the bottom left. I just noticed it well now when I was climbing in. Anyways, thanks again for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it.